Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So for today's reading, we have two piles, guys, for your love reading. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch that, guys. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be choosing three cards each from each pile. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about it for a few seconds, and I will start the reading now with the first pile after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, now let's start with this deck. So, let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking three cards, guys. So, this is your first card, second card, and one more card here. So let's see what are these cards for your love reading. So it is Five of Fire, Page of Earth, and Eight of Air. I hope you can see the cards here. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you have that clarity today. You have achieved that clarity because you are free of those illusions. Maybe you had some dreams about your person, some expectations, or you were just dreaming about this person you are in connection with, living in your own world, thinking about your future, or thinking about them, maybe fantasizing, but you were not seeing the truth. But today you see the truth, you know clearly what this person is. So those illusions or dreams, whatever it is, fantasies, whatever was hiding your vision, all that is clearing up, and you know with clarity what this person is. And you are understanding that you both have certain differences. Maybe in some areas you need to work on this connection. There are your views or your perceptions may be different, so you deal with your situation in a different way. But whatever it is, you are trying to find that understanding, what you need for this love, for this connection. So with these cards, I see that things are beginning to what to say, shape up in this connection, and you are understanding what you need to do today and what is the right thing for you. Maybe if you're making some important decisions today, guys. And I also see that you may be moving towards a deeper commitment with this person, a better understanding, and a true deep bond with this person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. It's a very positive energy we have here with this card. So you are in that understanding phase of this connection, learning about each other and getting to know about each other, guys. So maybe this person you're in relationship with, this may be a new person you're in connection with. So that may be the reason for these cards here, guys. So let's see what are the other cards from this other deck. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is coming with the other cards for your love reading, guys. These are the cards. So let's see what are the cards. It's clouds, dog, and fox. So, with these cards, guys, the energy, maybe you had some doubts about this person. Maybe you felt that uh, you were not having that trust. This may be your energy or their energy because of the way they are. Maybe they are very attractive and beautiful and they are in a very good position. So, compared to you, you see vast differences in both of you, but you were having some doubts on them because of the way you are and the way they are. So you cannot just believe that this person is taking interest in you. So you have that low self esteem. So some kind of low confidence you have, and you think that they may not be here with you for love but for some other reasons. But in truth, they are really honest, guys. This is a very positive card here. This stands for trustworthiness, loyalty, devotion. So maybe your confusions and doubts, whatever you had about this person, is going to clear up today. And they are really loyal, dedicated to you, dedicated to this love, and they love you and respect you. And so they are in this connection just for you and for this love, not for anything else. So maybe your doubts are not true, guys. You can trust them. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who chose this deck. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.